In this video, discover practical solutions to fix the taskbar not working issue on Windows 11 or 10. Learn step-by-step troubleshooting techniques including restarting Windows Explorer, checking for updates, scanning for malware, adjusting taskbar settings, creating a new user account, using system file checker tools, managing third-party software conflicts, and exploring advanced options like system restore and repair installations. Follow along with clear instructions to get your taskbar back to normal functionality and improve your overall Windows experience. Step 1. Right click on the taskbar. Step 2. Select taskbar settings. Step 3. Toggle automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode off and on again. Step 4. Restart Windows Explorer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Find Windows Explorer in the list. Right click and choose Restart. Step 5. Update graphics drivers. Right click Start, select Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right click your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Step 6. Check for Windows updates. Settings, then Update and Securities, then Windows Update, then check for updates. Step 7. Run the Windows Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, then Troubleshoot, then Additional Troubleshooters, then Windows Update Troubleshooter.